Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into Santander online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Santander Bank online, first open up a web browser. In the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.santanderbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Santander Bank, which looks like this. Now, to log in and get access to your account, go and find the link that says login at the top right hand corner and give it a click. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your online banking account first and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet for Santander, click on First Time User Enroll Now link beneath the login button. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID or Password respectively. After entering your credential, click the Login button and you'll be able to log in and get access to your Santander Bank account online. With your online banking account logged in, you can manage your account, check your balance, view your transactions, and so much more. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.